Yeah. So I'm gonna speak very soft because Ethan's sleeping. We are on the Voyager of the Sea. This is a Chinese New Year cruise. We decided to take a break and kind of escape the country using this long holiday. So I'm gonna take you on a quick room tour. Let's go start with the toilet first. This is the toilet. They don't have amenities like toothbrush and stuff, so thank God we brought our own. Showering area. So we got the room with the balcony because we wanted more space to place his cot. He is sleeping on the new King stroller. I love this stroller because we can fully recline. We are gonna go eat in a while because I'm like effing hungry. Okay, let's take a look at the balcony. Okay. Very good space, but it's not like huge or anything. So a couple of quick things that we noted once we got into our room is that one, they do not give you supplies like toothbrush, toothpaste, whatever, so if you forgot to bring, you're like screwed. Another thing, they do not offer free bottle water service. That sucks a bit. I'm not liking the fact that there's no power sockets around the bed. How am I gonna charge my phone at night? Our toilet flooded within the first 5 minutes that we came inside. Plumber came and fixed it, so that's great. What else? What else? Oh right, TV smaller. I miss my big ass TV. Here's the husband.
Hi. Hi, handsome. I love you. You should say I love you too.
So here he is sleeping comfortably on his new King stroller. Ah, this stroller is a lifesaver. Like, look at how huge this basket is. This is a cabin size stroller, by the way. What? I'm hungry. Can I go and eat?
Okay, let's go.
Yay. Alright, one thing. The thing that I forgot. So, on the Voyager of the Sea, baby cot is available, but bathtub is not available. So, thank goodness we bought a non-slip bath mat, and Ethan is able to sit, so we're gonna sit him in a showering unit when we bathe him. But unfortunately he won't be able to splash water this time around. So if you're bringing like, you know, little ones that can't sit yet, they actually ask you to bring your own bathtub. More things to carry. Not sure if it's a good thing or bad thing. So we are on our way to go and have dinner. He's awake. Okay, he's been awake since just now and he refused to take his nap again.
Hi, baby.
No, don't touch the lens. It's a terrible idea.
Can you smile? Smile?
So gotchi, just like your dad.
Hi, daddy.
Chill.
Đấy,快点按。
是不是现在不好看呢？
不会，他不要，他马上就哎了，不带了。找他来，要不要带一个？
良心回忆。你要不要给他？
会心的。No. 年糕
明天记得明天整个 half eaten raspberry cheesecake。
会有点，
擂茶坊的茶
那还好，还没按。
还没有按吗 ？OK。
最后3层。
OK, let's go。
我们跑去的话，我们应该往西边走，早点我们走到10。
对啊。
So we are going to Windjammer Cafe to get some ice cream.
Let's go.
Thank you. Ice cream? No. But ice cream, yes. How about you, ice cream? You want ice cream? Hi.
这很软的。
Hey? Nope, no soft serve.
应该是很多 biscuit 的。喜欢这种。 那你要不放那里？对，或者放就这样。哎，吃好了吗？
我出了。
奇怪，你昨天喝。
So we are just done with breakfast at that Pizza Fire dining room. I like the breakfast. So what happens is that at that tree they give you like a menu, and then you choose what you want, and they'll make to order in the kitchen. So there are things like French toast, pancakes, omelette, scrambled, and the classic, you know, breakfast fare. Like 气喘. So they also have this like buffet table that has like fruits, a very small congee station, and the waiters will walk around the bread basket. So you can choose like there's someone who's bread and pastries that you want to try. Okay. So right now we are going up to deck 5 to find our little pup. He has finished his breakfast and his grandparents are bringing him about. Oh, this is the Royal Promenade, kind of like the shopping area. And I found a kid.
You want toilet? You go.
Hey? Dan. Hey? So we are on our way to go have lunch. Unfortunately, swimming is a no-go. They refuse to let him inside the damn pool. She prefer getting drink, right? Right? That was better. No. Come, let's go. Hopefully, lunch is better. So over here, they're able to cook porridge for him, and that makes my life easier. Down, baby, down. Okay. Okay, I'm going to stop recording now. Hands are breaking.
Ow.
Oh, I step on your feet.
Yes,
After a kid step on your feet.
it's the same feet. Let's go.
That's why your mother and son. Okay, let's go.
Can I get
So this congee is here, and the veggies ready pureed. This is chicken congee. Oh, okay, yes. 吃食物了. Oh, okay, yes, understand. So we're having the tomato risotto for lunch, and it's like that because he's eating my tomato risotto also. Chocolate curry. My mouth's so hard. It's about 5:10 right now. We arrived in Penang at about 2:30 Singapore time. But this bugger wanted to sleep, so we took a nap with him, a very good nap. He is showered. Yes, had his afternoon milk. We're gonna go take photos. And his dad's happily eating bak kwa. We brought bak kwa because it's Chinese New Year season. Baby, can you stop playing with your dad's slippers? Don't play with your dad's slippers. Yeah, now he plays with your shoes. So here we are. Welcome to Penang. You see HSBC Bank from here. Ah, are you playing? No, what are you doing? Oh my god. Still the slippers all the way here. Okay, let's go take photos, baby. Let's go. Up, up, up. Sweet and sour pork. Yeah.
It's pad thai.
Pad thai.
Got capsicum.
Fried fish. Fried fish. So pad thai. Is it kway teow or is it linguine? Those are linguine. Ah, okay, 不要拍你。什么 cake 啊 ？Strawberry 啊，mousse 啊。
都是下面都是白的。What is this?
Apple pie with vanilla ice cream. We are done with dinner. We're here at Royal Promenade. I don't know if you guys can hear me. It's so noisy. And we're trying to find the kid. He went somewhere. Oh, he's here. Okay, I see him. Formal night, so I can't drink liquor, so I got blue fun. The husband got champagne, free champagne. And 你看你儿子，你看你儿子。你喝了，你晚上就很好睡啊。
开手机嘛，你就知道哇。He licked the corner that I drank. His boy has something.
I'm just done showering. The little one is with his grandparents. We are gonna go pick him up. And on our way there, we're gonna stop by Gemma's Cafe to get some pizza that we saw just now, because we had pizza on the first day and it's like damn good. So we're gonna bow some back into the room to eat tonight. Pizza! So we tapao pizza up using this roll it wrap that I got, and while we were fetching the fat one, so I happened to pass by the theatre and I was like, I smell popcorn! So we went hunting for popcorn and we found it. I think that 2 or that 3 right of the theatre. But it's very expensive though. 1 cup of popcorn is like $3.75. But then the person said I'm pretty, so he gave me 2. Yay! I got 1 free cup of popcorn. Go ahead, baby. Free popcorn. We had this on the first day when we came on board because we were like very hungry, haven't had lunch. So Cafe Promenade was one of the few that was there's actually open 24 hours. That's constantly with snacks. Yeah, brownie pizza is actually very good. There's like usually 3 flavors, but I noticed during dinner time that there's a 4th one, carnivore pizza, so I'm assuming that it's all meat. If not, the regular 3 is cheese pizza, pepperoni pizza, and vegetarian pizza. I'm going to get your husband go down later, you know, bring
cup of cream of broccoli soup for me later. Supper. Oh, it's so fine. Good morning. So this is day 3 of the cruise and we're here in Langkawi. And the husband's still sleeping, but
Baby's awake. Hi, baby.
So we're waking up to a beautiful sunrise outside. I'll show you guys. Look at the horizon, it's gorgeous. Hey baby, you wanted to see? He's super excited. Baby, ocean. Hey, you're gonna jump off the bed?
I know it's pretty. And there's what? There's a boat too, right? Boat and island and tons of water. Water.
No, why are you? I love you. We are going to the level 3 dining room for breakfast. He is super hungry. Yeah. Go, let's go. Mom. Whoa, long queue, very long queue. Country style omelette. Took a apple strudel and croissant from a bread basket. And here at the arcade, we dump the kid with his grandparents. He's napping right now, so we can have some alone time. I died playing that game. That's me. I continue. Ah, you died too! So we're here at Pigs and Whistle because the husband wanted a glass of beer. Hey, here it comes.